Hi, I'm Eliza Harris, a City of Austin health coach. Today, I'm so excited to share this heart-healthy teriyaki salmon bowl recipe with you. This recipe makes 2 servings. So salmon has omega-3 fatty acids that are heart-healthy. It's recommended to eat fish 2 to 3 times per week to attain this essential nutrient. The choice of protein in this recipe can be exchanged for a vegetarian source such as tofu or tempeh for a similar protein content. So first step is to preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. What I love about this recipe is that you're making your own marinade, so you know how much added sugar and sodium you're getting. The sauce calls for garlic and ginger, so I'm gonna do a demo on how to cut the garlic and ginger because it tastes so much better fresh. So with a spoon, you're just gonna cut the skin off the ginger, just kind of slide it down. You can also use your knife to cut off the skin, but a spoon kind of preserves the most ginger. Scrape that off to the side. And so from here, we're gonna smash the garlic and ginger. So with the knife pointed away from you, press down on the garlic. Do the same for the ginger. And from here, just gonna chop them together. You want your fingers curled in when you chop. So we wanna get them finely chopped. You can always use your palm on top of the knife to finely chop the ginger and garlic. It smells really good. Perfect, so we're gonna place these in a bowl and then we'll make the rest of the teriyaki sauce. So we're gonna use soy sauce, olive oil, and red pepper flakes. Some maple syrup for sweetness, a little bit of rice vinegar, and a touch of sriracha. Right, then we're gonna blend this together. Perfect. So we have this beautiful teriyaki sauce, and then we're gonna marinate it over the salmon. We're gonna let it marinate for 30 minutes. So while it's marinating, we can move on to the broccoli. So a trick here, you just wanna cut off the stem. And you wanna choose vegetables that are in season. So the broccoli can be swapped for any other green that you may like. You can just set the stems to the side. And then for those bigger pieces, you just chop them in half. All right, so then we're gonna place the broccoli in a large bowl and coat it with olive oil, salt, and pepper, so it gets nice and crispy in the oven. So you put about a tablespoon or 2 over the broccoli, and just a pinch of pepper and salt. You can use your hands or tongs just to coat the broccoli in the olive oil. Oops. And then we will place this on the baking sheet with the salmon. We'll grab your baking sheet lined with aluminum foil, and we'll place the salmon on the baking sheet with the broccoli. So super easy. So you want to make sure the broccoli isn't overlapping. Then we'll grab the salmon and place it on the baking sheet. So this goes in the oven. So again for 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the temperature is 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Perfect, so we'll place this in. This recipe calls for brown rice. So you can either cook the brown rice on the stove, use a microwavable brown rice packet, or quinoa if you prefer that. So we have the brown rice here. It also calls for edamame. So you can just use a steamable edamame packet, and once that's ready, Place the edamame over the rice with the carrots, and you will get this beautiful salmon dish. And you can drizzle with sriracha for an extra kick of spice. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you enjoy this heart-healthy meal. If you'd like to reach out for health coaching, please reach out to Healthy Connections. Enjoy!